Turning now to the other big story that we're following, powering down virtual learning. Governor Hogan is demanding schools reopen for at least some in-person classroom learning in less than 2 months.
And the governor actually threatening to take legal action. He, along with state education leaders, say there's no public health reason to be keeping students out of schools.
This comes as more than 2,100 new coronavirus cases are reported in our state in the past 24 hours. Hospitalizations and the positivity rate are down slightly.
And WJZ is live at 11 o'clock. Amy Kawada with the governor's strong message and what parents, students, and teachers are saying about this. Amy.
Vic and Rick, while some say they want to see their kids back in the classrooms sooner than later, not everyone is on board. Some parents, teachers, and students say they're concerned about the risk of in-person learning.
There is no public health reason for school boards to be keeping students out of schools. None.
A strong message from Governor Hogan calling on all Maryland schools to reopen for at least some in-person learning by March 1st.
If school systems do not immediately begin a good faith effort to return to the classrooms, we will explore every legal avenue at our disposal.
But some parents and students are pushing back.
I don't think it's a good idea to open schools back up, especially without vaccinating all teachers and students.
While others are on the fence.
Not 100% sure. It's a pretty tough decision.
This comes as teachers and support staff in Maryland just became eligible for vaccines this week, but the distribution has been slower than expected. The Baltimore Teachers Union released a statement saying the governor should focus on accelerating the vaccine rollout and getting city schools the resources they need to create healthy learning environments. During a virtual town hall, Baltimore City Public Schools discussed in-person learning for the second semester. Officials tried to reassure the community they have a safe reopening plan.
What we've seen is that we've developed the systems, the protocols to safely mitigate a return to the COVID factors to facilitate a return to school.
But parents like Hugh Bethel fear when kids do go back to school, it won't be an easy transition.
How do you really pick back up and get to where you were without a lot of remedial attention? And that's going to be the real challenge.
And during the governor's press conference, Dr. Jinling Chan with the State Department of Health says school reopening decisions should not be based on the availability of vaccines or how many staff members have received the shot. Live tonight, I'm Amy Kawada for WJZ.